birthday, Aunt Jane. Can you say happy birthday, Aunt Jane? Reagan. What's that? Show Aunt Jane her candle. Say happy birthday, Aunt Jane. Reagan. Reagan.
Can you blow Aunt Jane a kiss? Can you blow her a kiss? Go.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! Blow her a kiss. Mwah! Mwah!
Reagan, how old are you? Huh?
Yay!
Yay! Yay.
Happy birthday. Oh, no, no, no.
Does it smell good? Does it smell good? She had Play-Doh in her ear the other day.
Yeah.
Ears, eyeballs. Did you say happy birthday?
Yeah. Just don't let her get any beans, because they'll go down her ears and up her nose.
Any
too.
what? Beans?
Little peas
Oh.
and dried peas and...
No. She eats all those.
Oh. I think that sun would be the best thing for him out there.
That's a candle. Thank you.
Happy birthday. I think Aunt Jane's going to like your kiss. Mwah. I think she's going to like your kiss. A birthday.